Understanding your keywords is essential for getting found. It's the law of attraction in action. Come. Oh, good boy, good boy. Good boy.
Thousands of people a day are actively looking for what you do. And if they can't find you, then you simply don't exist.
Hi, my name is Anthony Prichard, and I'm a certified Google partner and a YouTube specialist. And in this workshop, I'm going to show you how to maximize your relevancy online with a 1-minute video. Sign up for the CSL workshop today. It could mean a world of difference for you and your organization.